John Macklin.
What?
Do you want a glass of raisin?
No. No.
2 years, buddy.
Take her down, John. Take her down. Your partner.
2 years.
Oh, Nick. No, you're going in the water.
That's what she said.
You're in the fucking water. You're in the water. You're in the water. I don't care. Nick. I love you. No, it's not. No,
2 years, John.
Nick,
You have to give it to her.
my partner.
I need my camera. I need my camera.
Nick, 2 years. 2 years. 2 years, Nick.
You gotta give it to her, buddy.
2 years.
Neighbors light your headlamp on if you're complaining. I was freaking on them. Someone's giving me a glass of peanuts. No,
But you know,
You know what? You're gone.
That might have been the best prank ever. Like, ever. Come on, give me props.
I was like sitting there and you're so fucking hit me and I'm looking. I left with.
Remember last year you thought I had a slingshot?
Yeah.
Remember last year you thought I had a slingshot last year?
Are you putting that on
I look at it on Smurf. I said, okay, you got some people. Where the fuck are they coming? He goes, I'll look. Motherfucker.
You even complained to head office there last year on the way out, eh?
No, I want to put her in the pool.
That's what she said. She said the
I
pool
said
better
to
be
them
closed.
Last night they're like, can we tell them? I said, no, I'll end up in that fucking pool tomorrow. Drown.
I'm just going to sit beside you, Nick.
Nicole,
Seriously?
good luck. Do you know what?
I
Good luck.
know, but it
He
might
will
be
get
the
you back.
best 2-year joke going.
Yeah, it was
It was
fabulous.
like we were all in.
That